Corn Shorty wanted a cha non spongy, which translates to Thai tea milk cake. I would love to bake your request, so put it in the comment below. Feel free to make more tea if you are gonna drink some, but this amount is perfect for this recipe. Steep the tea for about 5 minutes for a stronger taste. Then measure out 100 ml. I should have used my French press because mine was not very strong. And add the sweetened condensed milk. And we'll start the recipe with the yolk batter. Now separate 4 eggs. Also know that I do have the full written recipe and instruction in the description box as well. And this is the tea mix with the sweetened condensed milk. If you are brand new to baking in your rice cooker, make sure you watch to the end because I do have some important tips there to help you be successful. Sift in the flour. And then just mix it until smooth. Now beat the egg whites for about 30 seconds. And then add the lemon juice or cream of tartar. Beating about 30 seconds, then add the sugars in third. Beating about 30 seconds between each add. You want to beat the egg whites until you get stiff peak. It may take somewhere between 4 to 5 minutes total. Add 1/3 of the egg white into your yolk mixture and whisk slowly in one direction until it's incorporated. This took about 1 minute. Now pour your yolk mixture into the egg white, and this is the critical part. Using a spatula, slowly fold your batter together, scraping the sides, the bottom, and cutting it through the middle. You want to fold this slowly in one direction to prevent any bubbles. Just fold until almost all the white streaks are gone. This took me about 2 minutes and 30 seconds to get this incorporated. You can line your baking pot or pan with a parchment paper, but do not oil or grease your pot. Smooth out the top and tap it a few times to release any bubbles. Now cover it with a paper towel to catch condensation, and let's start our first bake. Press the cook button and then set a timer for 30 minutes. And a bake cycle is anywhere between 5 to 10 minutes in hot high heat in the cook status and 20 to 25 minutes in low heat in the warm status. This is after 2 bake cycle, which is 1 hour. And this cake is done already. Cool it upside down on a rack for about 30 minutes. Now use a spatula to loosen the side. Links to similar items I use are below. If you use my links, it will help me to buy more ingredients to bake your favorite goodies. If you did make any of my recipe, do send me some pictures or short videos. You can email me directly or connect with me on any of these social media and send it through there. And oh, this is a perfect sponge cake. And the bounce test? Yep, I think it's good. I really appreciate that you watch my video. Please help my channel out by clicking that like button and share my videos with your friends and family. If you do have questions or comments, I would love to hear them. And if you're brand new to my channel, welcome. Make sure you subscribe so that you get notified when I upload new recipes. I do upload a video every Saturday here. And this cake is not very sweet at all.